Welcome winter's cooler tones with an icy fresh look to match. Embrace rosy cheeks, sparkly lids, and a fresh pink lip. First, to build my glittering gaze, I'll take the Mary Kay All Over Eyeshadow brush and apply Mary Kay Chromafusion Eye Shadow in Blossom on my eyelids. Then, to add multi-dimension, I'll blend Mary Kay Chromafusion Eye Shadow in Dusty Rose and Granite in the crease of both eyes with the Mary Kay Eye Crease brush. Lastly, I'll brighten and highlight my brow bone and the inner corners of my eyes with Mary Kay Chromafusion Eye Shadow in Crystalline, using the Mary Kay All Over Eyeshadow brush. Make this look just for you by choosing the best shades to complement your skin tone. For ivory skin tones, use these shades. For beige skin tones, use these shades. And for bronze skin tones, use these shades. Blend Mary Kay Chromafusion Contour in Latte under the cheekbones and along the jawline with the shorter bristles of the Mary Kay cheek brush to sculpt and define. Then, blend Mary Kay Chromafusion Blush in Hint of Pink onto the apples of the cheeks with the middle of the cheek brush. Lastly, add as much shimmer as you wish to the tops of cheekbones and along the nose with Mary Kay Chromafusion Highlighter in Glazed using the longest bristles of the cheek brush. And there you have it, the perfect winter look. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you contact your Mary Kay independent beauty consultant for these products, and be sure to tag us on social when you try these looks yourself.